Hi all, in this video we will be working to give ourselves some headspace and to get outdoors. This is a great mindfulness activity to do when you're in need of a brain break or after a really long day. Let's get started. First, we will need to go on a nature walk to select at least 3 different types of leaves that are either different in shape or size. Did you find a skinny leaf? Or maybe it's a wide one? How many points are on your leaf? For materials, you will need any kind of blank paper, mark-making devices, and your leaves you just collected. Before we get started making our art, go ahead and find a quiet space to yourself. Maybe it's at a window, on a comfy pillow, or outside, or maybe just at your table. Once you've found your spot, we're going to go ahead and take 3 deep breaths together. Go ahead and start by breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. One more time, in through your nose and out through your mouth. I find this helps me relax and become very present in the moment. Step 1. Go ahead and choose your paper and grab a pencil or a pen. Step 2. Place your leaves in a pattern or a place that excites you on the page. Step 3. Begin to carefully trace around your first leaf, making sure to hold it still with your other hand. Then move on to your next leaf, again making sure to hold it still and trace around the edge. Continue until you've traced around all your leaves. Now go ahead and move your leaves off the page and continue to repeat the pattern, doing your best to completely fill in your paper. If your shape goes off the page, that's okay. Just keep going. Step 4. Once you finish filling up your paper, go ahead and grab your coloring tools. I'm going to use some markers I had on hand. This is your time to be creative and begin filling in your pattern however you would like. Be gentle to yourself if you go outside a line or mess up your pattern. This is a time to accept whatever happens and to stay present in the moment. Once you feel like you have finished, you can place your leaves back onto the page and see your amazing creation. I think I'm going to fill in the white spaces with some colored pencils to finish it off. Have fun, enjoy tracing, and I hope this nature mindfulness activity helps you relax and to clear your mind.